Hey everyone, I welcome you to the fifth chapter entitled Miscellaneous Topics 1. Okay, we gotta write a program that asks the user to enter a value n and then computes that expression there. Okay, the len function is log in the math module. Okay, so without any waste of time, let me dive into idle. Okay, now that I've got this file, the very first thing I want to do is to import the math module. I'll have a variable called n whose input I will take from the user. Of course, it's a wise thing to make sure that n is positive, so let me go. If n is greater than 0, then I'll do the following. Otherwise, I'll just say error. Okay, I'll simply go total. I'll initialize total to 1. Check out this pattern, you guys. We've got 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 up to 1 over n minus len n. Okay, now in order to do that, of course I'll need a loop. This will go into 0, it will go up to n. Okay, it will go 2, 4, 6 all the way up to n. Fact of the matter is, it will go from 1, so 1 over 1, 1 over 2. So it will start from 2, it will go from 1 over, so that, damn, basically the loop is for the denominators, you guys. We've got 2, 3, 4 all the way up to n. Why can I say that? Should have said that in the first place. So I'll simply go total is equals to total plus 1 over I. Okay, once that right there is done, I'll display, I'll simply go total is equals to total minus math dot log. There's a function called log there which takes x, and in our case x is nothing else but our n, because we're looking for len n. Okay, once we're done doing that, the next thing for me to do will be to print out the results. So total is equals to total. That should be it, you guys. Let me hit run and see what we get. Let me enter some huge number like 100. Okay, so I'm afraid there's no way in hell I can show you guys that this solution works indeed. It's probably a good idea to round off my answer to say 4 decimal places. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers.